Oppo PDYM20 and PDYT20 spotted on TENAA, may launch as Reno 10X Mark II. Oppo seems to be working on a new mid-tier smartphone rumored to be the Reno 10X Mark II. Two variants of this smartphone with model numbers PDYM20 and PDYT20 have been spotted on China's regulatory body TENAA's website. The listings on TENAA show the specifications of the two variants, with the only difference being the RAM and storage configuration. The PDYM20 has been listed with 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM options, and 128GB and 256GB onboard storage options, while the PDYT20 has been listed with a single 8GB and 128GB storage option. Oppo PDYM20 and PDYT20 are expected to be two variants of the Oppo Reno 10X Mark II, rumored to be the new mid-tier entrant in the Oppo Reno lineup and successor to the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. The TENAA listings hint at most of the specifications and some images of the phones as well. Oppo Reno 10X Mark II specifications, expected. The rumored Oppo Reno 10X Mark II has been listed, 1,2, in two variants and both carry the same specifications except for the RAM and storage options. The phone features 6.5-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 pixels, display, and is powered by an octa-core processor with a set of cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. The phone runs on Android 10 and comes with up to 8GB RAM and up to 256GB of onboard storage. The phone is also listed with a triple rear camera setup that is expected to include a 16-megapixel primary shooter, an 8-megapixel secondary camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. For selfies, an 8-megapixel camera has been listed. The battery capacity has been listed as 4,000 mAh and connectivity options include 5G, LTE, Bluetooth, and GPS. Sensors on board have been listed as gravity sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, and a fingerprint scanner. In terms of dimensions, the rumored Oppo Reno 10X Mark II measures 162.2 by 75.0 by 7.9 mm and weighs 175 grams. Further, the color options are said to be black, white purple, and silver red. The report adds that the two variants were also spotted on 3C certification website that hinted at 18 watts charging support. Notably, Oppo has not shared any information about a Reno 10X Mark II, so this piece of information should be taken with a pinch of salt. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.